Stepping into the unknown, unbelievable shoe facts you never knew. Welcome back, shoe enthusiasts. We've been on quite a journey exploring the fascinating world of footwear, and if you thought you knew everything about shoes, think again. As we dive deeper into the world of footwear, get ready to be amazed by some mind-blowing and quirky facts that will change the way you look at your favorite pair. So, without further ado, let's lace up our knowledge and step into the realm of surprising shoe facts. Did you know that the world's oldest leather shoe dates back to around 3500 BC? Discovered in a cave in Armenia, this ancient footwear was perfectly preserved, giving us a glimpse into the stylish choices of our ancestors. Imagine walking in those shoes through the sands of time. Speaking of walking, have you ever noticed that each person has a unique way of wearing down their shoe soles? That's right. Just like fingerprints, shoe prints are distinctive to individuals. It's almost like our feet are leaving a personalized signature with every step we take. Now, let's take a stroll down the manufacturing lane. Did you ever wonder how many steps it takes to make a single pair of shoes? Brace yourself, it's a whopping 200. From cutting the leather to stitching and assembling, the intricate process behind crafting the perfect pair is a true work of art. And here's a fun fact for you. The average person will walk approximately 115,000 miles in their lifetime. That's like trekking around the earth 4 times. So, choosing the right shoes isn't just about style, it's a long-term commitment to comfort and durability. Shoes have played a starring role in history too. Did you know that high-heeled shoes were originally designed for Persian soldiers to secure their feet in stirrups while riding horses? Fast forward to today, and high heels have become a fashion statement, transforming catwalks and sidewalks alike. But it's not just about fashion, shoes can also be a reflection of cultural identity. From traditional Japanese Geta sandals to Indian juttis, the variety of styles around the world tells a unique story of craftsmanship, traditions, and regional pride. As fashion evolves, so do our shoes. Did you know that the concept of the left and right shoe didn't exist until the 19th century? Before that, shoes were made to be interchangeable, which might explain why Cinderella's glass slipper fits so perfectly, no need to worry about left or right. And for all you sneakerheads out there, get ready for this, the world's largest sneaker collection belongs to Jordan Deller, with over 2,500 pairs. Talk about stepping up your shoe game. It's safe to say he's literally walking on a goldmine of athletic history. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of shoes that goes beyond the ordinary. From ancient leather wonders to cultural expressions and the evolution of fashion, shoes have truly left an indelible mark on the sands of time. As we wrap up this segment, we challenge you to take a closer look at your own shoes. You never know what stories they might be hiding. Thanks for joining us on this journey of discovery. If you enjoyed these shoe revelations, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more intriguing content, and share your favorite shoe facts in the comments below. Until next time, keep walking and stay curious.